Hello, my dear students. This is Geeta ma'am. I'm going to start with the word problems, last exercise of fractions. The previous exercises were discussed by Shilpi ma'am, and the last exercise I'm going to discuss with you all. So let's start with the first word problem. In this question, we have a microwave oven, and the cost price of that oven is 12,600 rupees. Rajesh is buying that, but he is not giving the entire money in cash. He is giving some amount in cash and the rest of the amount he is giving in installments. So let's see how much he is giving in cash. In cash, he is giving 2 by 3 of the amount. How much is the cost? 12,600. Of means multiply. So let's cut it. When we will cut it, we will get the answer as 8,400 rupees. So this amount he is paying in cash. Okay. How much is left? कितना बच गया है उसको? How much he has to still pay? Remaining amount will be 12,600 minus 8,400. So he has to now pay 4,200 and he don't have the cash. Now what he is doing? He is converting it into installments, EMIs for 12 months. So for 12 months, the amount which is pending is 4,200. The question wants to know the monthly installment, how much he has to pay. So his monthly installment will be amount remaining divided by 12. It will be obviously less. So when we will solve it, we will get 350 rupees per month. So his monthly installment is rupees 350 only. Okay. Now let's come to the second question. Aftab monthly salary is 25,000. Okay, let's see his salary. His salary is 25,000 rupees per month. Okay. And he is paying some amount on rent. How much he is paying in rent? He is paying 1 by 5 of his salary. Of means multiply. So when we will cut it, how much amount he is paying as rent? He is paying as rent 5,000 rupees. Okay. After that, whatever amount is remaining, he is spending on the education of his children and on the food. Let's find the remaining amount first. Remaining will be, the salary was 25,000. He paid the rent 5,000. Now the money which he is left with is 20,000 rupees. Out of this 20,000, he is paying for the education of his child. So how much he is paying for the education? 1 by 4 of the remaining means of 20,000. When we will cut it, it will be 5,000. So he is spending 5,000 on the education, and on food how much he is spending? On food he is spending 1 by 5 of the remaining. Remaining means 20,000 only. Okay, this will be 4,000 rupees. Now let's find his total expenditure. His total expenditure will be rent 5,000 rupees plus education 5,000 rupees plus food 4,000 rupees. So how much is his monthly expenditure? It is 14,000 rupees. Isn't it? Now the second part is asking how much he has saved. Savings क्या होती हैं? What are savings? How much we have got? What was his salary? His salary was 25,000. How much he has spent? 14,000. How much is left? 11,000. So this 11,000 is his saving. This money he has saved from his salary after spending his other expenses. Okay, now comes the third question. There is a piece of wire. Let's write down the length of the wire. Total length of the wire is how much? 3 by 4 meters. It is cut into 3 pieces. Okay, first piece. The length of first piece is 3 by 20 meters. Okay, second piece. The length of second piece is how much? It is 5 by 3 of the first. Means 5 by 3 of the first. Isn't it? Of means multiply. Let's cut 3 with 3, 5 with 20. We will get 1 by 4 meters. So second piece length is 1 by 4 meters. The question is asking the length of the third piece. So we don't know the length of the third piece. So let's take it as x meters. Now first piece plus second piece plus third piece will be total length. What is the length of first piece? 3 by 20 meters. Second piece 1 by 4 meters. Third piece x, total length 3 by 4 meters. Isn't it? Now what we will do to find the value of x, we will shift all other numbers that side and transition will take place. What will happen when transition will take place? The sign of the numbers will change. So now x will be 3 by 4 minus 3 by 20 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now x will be, we will take out the LCM of 4, 20 and 4. LCM will be 20. And when we will solve, this will be 15, this will be 3, this will be only 5. Okay, now when we will solve it, we will get the answer as 7 upon 20 meter. So x is 7 upon 20. What is x? X is the length of the third piece. So we got the answer as the length of the third piece is 7 upon 20 meters. Next question. John got a prize of 75,000 rupees. Okay, very nice. So let's see the prize money. The prize money is 75,000 rupees. What he did of that? He paid some tax, because whenever we get the prize we have a tax, gift tax. Okay, how much tax? 1 upon 10. So let's see the tax amount. The tax will be 1 upon 10 of the total price. Let's cut it. How much he will pay as tax? 7,500. This money he has paid the tax. How much the remaining he got? Remaining will be 75,000 the prize money minus 7,500 the tax amount. Remaining will be 67,500 rupees. Now, out of that remaining amount, what he has done? He has given some amount to his son. Okay, let's see how much the son has got. The son has got 1 by 3rd, 1/3 of the remaining amount. Okay, so 1/3 of this when we will cut, it will be 22,500 rupees. This he gave to his son. Okay, now let's see how much the daughter got. The daughter got 1 by 5. Okay, let's see. 1 by 5 of the remaining. Remaining means again this much. When we will cut it, it will be 13,500 rupees. This the daughter got. Now what he did, he also paid some amount to Red Cross Society. Donation दिया थोड़ा सा उसने. How much he donated? The 1 by 10 of the remaining. it means 6,750 rupees he has given to Red Cross Society. Total how much he has spent till now. Let's see. Total spending. He gave to his son 22,500 rupees. To his daughter 13,500. And to Red Cross Society this much. 6,750. So total whatever he has spent till now is 42,750 rupees. He has already spent this much. Now the remaining amount which is left he has given to his wife. So how much the wife has got? He was having 67,500 after paying tax minus 42,750. Now the wife has got 24,750 rupees. Okay. The question also wants to know the portion. It means the percentage or the fraction. So let's find the wife's portion. Wife's portion will be the amount wife got 24,750 upon total prize money. Total prize money was 75,000. Okay. Multiply with 100. When we will solve it, it will be 33 upon 100 or 33%. Okay. So wife got 33% out of the total share. Next question. Question number 6. Rajesh had a packet of 20 sketch pens. Okay. Total sketch pens is equal to 20. He gave some sketch pens to Krishna. Out of that, how much Krishna got? He got 12 out of 20. Okay, let's cut it. Simplest form, 3 by 5. He also gave some sketch pens to Meena. How much Meena got? 6 out of 20. It will be 3 upon 10. Simplest form. Okay. This much he gave to Krishna and this much he gave to Meena. Now let's see how much he has given. Total sketch pens given or distributed was 12 to Krishna, 6 to Meena. So total sketch pens, how much he has given? 18 sketch pens. Already given to Krishna and Meena. So how much sketch pens were left with him? Sketch pens left were 20 sketch pen he had. 18 he has already given. Only 2 sketch pens are left with him. Now we want to know the fraction of how much is left. So fraction of the left sketch pens will be 2 sketch pens out of total sketch pens. Isn't it? Let's cut it simplest form, 1 by 10. Okay. Very easy questions these are. Very simple. Now question number 9. I'm not doing all the questions because they all are little similar. So you can try, and if you have any issues, any problems, just put the query in the comment box. I'll solve it out. Next question number 9. There is a book. Total pages in the book are 360. 360 pages. Okay. How much Ajay is reading? Ajay read how much? 11 upon 18 of the total pages. It means when we will cut it, it will be 220 pages. Ajay has read. Okay. Who is next? Seema. Seema is reading how much? She is reading 7 of 10 of the total pages. Okay. When we will solve it, it will be 252 pages. Now who is reading more? Very clear. Seema is reading more. Seema is reading more pages. How much more? See, 252 minus 220. She is reading 32 pages extra than Ajay. Now, the question is also asking it into fractional form. So fractional form, how much extra pages? 32 extra pages out of total 360 pages. When you will cut it, you will get as 4 upon 45 as the answer. Okay. This is the last question of the exercise. There are 10 questions only. Maximum to I have already done. The remaining you can do. Okay. Next question is Lalit weighs 66 kg. Gauri's weight is 4 by 3 of Lalit's weight. Okay. Let's see. Let's find Gauri's weight. Lalit's weight is 66 kgs. Gauri is 4 by 3 of 66. Okay. Let's cut it. 322. It will be 88 kgs. Weight of Gauri is more than Lalit. She is 88 kgs. The question, first part already we have solved. Second part is asking what is the difference between their weights. So the difference means simply deduct the weights of both. So 88 kgs minus 66 kgs. Simple as that. 22 kgs is the difference of both of them weights. Okay. So we have done all the part, almost all the part we have discussed here. If any part you are not feeling like comfortable to do it, you can just put the comment in the comment box. I'll personally solve it out. Okay. Do all the questions in the copy or pages, whatever it's available to you. Okay. No need to write down the questions, just write down the solutions. Okay. Take care. God bless. Bye.